Maureen Rennie from A Premier Travel Agency at the El Establo Hotel in Monteverde, Costa Rica, to give you a description on two room types. The first room is their family suite. The family suite offers a nice balcony with two chairs out on the balcony and beautiful views. It has one king-size bed on the lower floor. This room will accommodate a total of 4 people. You have a chair with a little table and a desk, your flat screen TV, very large ceilings. It feels very spacious in this room. You have your coffee maker and closet, a mini refrigerator, and a lock safe. The bathroom has a sunken tub and a walk-in shower. It comes with bathroom amenities of your shampoos and conditioners and soap, with one sink. Hair dryer is also included in this room and in all their rooms. Upstairs in the loft, you have another king-size bed. So total accommodations is for 4 people. Then we go on to their junior suite. Their junior suite room has one king-size bed, sunken tub, bathroom, mini refrigerator, your lock safe, flat screen TV, and 2 hammocks, and a large desk space. This also looks out onto a patio so you can walk right out from the room. And this is the El Establo Hotel in Monteverde, Costa Rica.